Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this Acryla gouache set from Holbein. Now, the first thing I love about this set is that it is a mixing set, and it has been great for me to practice color theory. Using this set has greatly improved my ability to mix the colors that I need, and for a lot of my projects, I even pre-mix my colors before I even begin. Acrylic gouache is such an interesting medium. I prefer it over regular gouache because of the nature of the acrylic in it. So like regular gouache, it activates with water and you can water it down to a watercolor consistency. However, once it dries, you will not reactivate it with your layers on top. This has been a game changer for me because reactivation has always been my biggest problem while using gouache. And so this means that it's great for underpainting as well as the typical layers you or I may work in. However, make sure that you are mindful of how you are using the paint because typically once it dries on your palette, you can't reactivate it. I like to use small amounts of paint at a time, and I like to also pre-mix my paints and keep them in an airtight box. The pigments are also so very vivid, so you'll be able to mix all kinds of bright colors for your paintings. I can't recommend this set enough, so now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.